Why does this always happen? I would love to have something done to my eyebrows. Hi, my name is Rebecca Roberts. Welcome to my channel. Hello, welcome back guys. So I am really excited this week. I am going on a hen-do. Yes, we're going to the town. We're going to Newcastle for a hen-do. I am so excited. However, as you can see, black is not my colour. I'm already translucent. I am that pale. So it's going to be interesting. And I've had the breakout from hell all over my face. And there's just nothing I can do. Nothing I can do. So I'm going to attempt a bit of a pamper night tonight. Hence the headband, because I will be washing and conditioning my hair tonight. I'm going to attempt something here, and then it's just a case of winging it, guys, and just hope the concealer holds. But pray for me. I'm going to be out with some seasoned drinkers as well, so this isn't intimidating in the slightest, but it's going to be great. So I am going to be getting on a train. It's a bit of a mission, but I'm so excited. So to get a train from where I live in South Wales up to Newcastle, it's about a 12.5-hour journey. So what we are doing is I'm going to be getting the train at 7:15 tomorrow morning, fully clothed. I don't mean like, I don't walk around the bus or anything, but what I mean is all ready to go out. So this is going to be an effort. And I'm going to get the train up to Manchester, where the hen lives, and then I've got one of the I Do crew is picking me up from Manchester station to go back to the hen's house for us to get a taxi just for 2.5 hours. So it's going to be amazing, and I get travel sick, and I like to sleep when I'm travel sick, but I've got to have a full face of makeup, full attire with a bunch of rowdy hens. So anyway, here we go. I am so excited. Now I've had loads of people, just realised how dusty my desk is, I need to clean this. I've had loads of people have messaged me to say that they have bought this binder. I mean, it is lush, it is beautiful. So you guys have been getting to know me now over my last few videos. I think you can relate. How amazing do the plastic pouches smell? It's the first thing I noticed. Just it smells like lino on holiday. Lilo on holiday. Oh, it just smells of summer. They smell amazing. So if you have one of these binders and you haven't noticed, if you haven't had a whiff yet, grab it and whiff it, because it smells fantastic. I love it. Anyway, right, so let's get started, shall we? So here we go. We're still doing well on the shopping. We've got £5 left in there. So as always, every week shopping gets £40, and we've got our £5 in there. So we've now got £45 for shopping for the week. It should be quite easy because the fridge and everything is already stocked up. So it's only going to be hubby and the baby. Petrol then. We are going to be adding £20 in a week for petrol. Here we go. Car, we've got a nice little stash for car. So what we are going to do for this is we're going to pop £20 in this week for car. So we've got 2, 4, 6, 80. So we've now got £100 in savings for our car. So if this is something that happens to the car, or an MOT or anything like that, then the money's there to pay for it. Eating out, so as I'm not going to be here, we have no plans of going out. We've been eating out quite a lot lately. So I'm not going to fill that this week, and I probably won't get filled next week because hubby is on a stag do next week, whereas I'm on a hen do this weekend, so I leave tomorrow, so not going to need that. Ada then, our little pup, she is going to get £10 this week. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 80. So we've got £90 there for her, and this is our savings. So if ever she needs anything, she can go to the vet, or you know, she needs new collars or anything like that, waterproofs. She has got a Gore-Tex coat. She's a very posh pup. I'm trying to keep a white dog white in the autumn weather is just a nightmare, so that's a lifesaver. Home then, Adra, home. So we had we had to have work done on our boiler. So money went out of this to pay for the boiler, which was amazing that we had it to hand. So we were able to give him cash and send him on his way. So Rhian, a school. This is our savings for Rhian for when he goes back to school. So this might be if he needs new uniform or trainers or shoes or a new bag or anything like that. This is little savings, and also it'll help pay for him. So he's not actually in official school, he's in like a sort of a daycare setting which is within a school, so he has a uniform, things to wear, so this will help pay for that. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 70, 80 pounds for him. We're not going to put anything in there because I said we're going away on the hen do this weekend, so I'm going to be putting some money into there. So we've got £20 in from last week. I'm going to be giving another £10 towards the hen do, so that's £30 for me to take. I have put money aside in my bank already, but I'll be taking this out with me. Everything's paid for. It was one of those packages last night of freedom, amazing. So it was a package, paid for it all last year. This will be more fun money. Barbie then, as you guys know, we are looking to extend our family. We're not putting anything in here today, but we've got 10, 20, 30, we've got £40 in here already, so that when it does happen, we've got a nice little stash for the nappy runs. Celebrations, so we're not putting anything in here today. We're going to be using this pouch to save up for Fiend's birthday presents. His birthday is in September, so we're already planning it. He's already decided what cake he wants me to make. I'm the person who brings water, so this is going to be amusing. And as I said previously, for our retirements and savings, any money that we have left over from like our shopping or our petrol is going to go into the savings. And Hoyle, this just means fun, so I'm going to pop £5 in there. Bit of fun money, so whilst I'm on the hen do, if hubby wants to take our son to do something, if they want to go swimming or anything like that, then there's some money there for them to go and have some fun. And that is it for this week. And that is it. I am so excited. So I will be spending my money. I will be enjoying myself. And I cannot wait to fill you in with how the hen do went with the I Do crew. And hopefully I'll be able to keep up with the ladies and survive. I mean, that's my goal for this weekend, to survive. It's been 2 years since I've been out. And I am petrified. Anyway, I hope you guys have a wonderful, wonderful week. As always, thank you so much for your support. I can't believe how many subscribers and viewers we get at the moment. It is just so overwhelming. And thank you for taking the time to stop by. And if you like what you see, don't forget to like and subscribe so you can keep up to date with the future videos. Bye, guys.